M156 C63 2014 engine rebuild. Now in this case we put the engine in the car, we're gonna connect what we can connect, and the rest things once arrive we're gonna connect it, we're gonna put it. It's a short video, it's just only that from our side, since we have whatever parts we have, we are putting it. Now since they say to us that the supercharger will gonna come in 3 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks, this, sorry, but it's not in our hand. We are not selling this, we don't have it in stock, and it is from another country. At the beginning, actually, they told us that it's gonna take 5 to 6 days, and then when they receive the money, we get a different time. They said it's gonna be 3 to 4 weeks. Let's see when it's gonna come the supercharger, the conversion kit, the belt, the pulley, and some other stuff. Thank you very much. Just 1 minute video. It's gonna be the smallest video that I have.